up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday evening. It's raining out and I just did this Caramel Kisses makeup look. I'm headed to a Galentine's event. If you want to see how I got this Caramel Kisses makeup, you can check it out here. But before I leave for this event, I wanted to do an unboxing of my Seoul Beauty for the month of February. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure if I will continue this subscription. I may cancel it after this box. The last products I got, they were fine. They're just like all unscented, which I do really like scented products. First in this box is the Skin RX Labs Matacera Toner with ceramide, liposomal, TECA, hydrolyzed extension for hydrated, visible, firmer, smooth, glossy skin. Okay. Ooh, it's like pink. It's like a pink milkshake. It has no scent whatsoever. It does feel really good though. It's very moisturizing. Next is the Mixun Bean Essence. I think just like a skin oil. The thing with this subscription, you choose every single product that you get, so it's almost like shopping rather than like what's in this monthly subscription. And I feel like that's why I'm gonna cancel it, because I do like the surprise of like the mystery boxes and like the Ipsy. Like I like when you get to pick a few products, but every single product in this box I picked. So it's, again, it's like shopping. So I'm probably gonna cancel this subscription, but this is no scent at all. But I will give that a go. Then is a Deep Comfort facial sheet mask. I think I had one of these in my last box and it was actually like really, really good. So that's cool. Is the Mixun Rice Gentle Exfoliant Black Rice Soybean Seawater. It's like a peel. Ooh. So it's like an exfoliant, but it doesn't have texture. It's more like a chemical exfoliant. This I'm really excited to try. And then last item in this box is the Lip Flash Tint. And this is in Peach Flare. Really beautiful component. And, ooh, okay. Very pretty. And that is what was in my February Seoul Beauty box subscription. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this subscription. I may cancel it. I may give it one more month. This and the Birchbox I tried, and I'm just kind of like way more in love with Ipsy. So yeah, if you like these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.